Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about advanced facility given by Jio to India. India will play a leading role in fourth industrial revolution according to Mukesh Ambani, the chairperson of Reliance Industry. The three requirements needed to participate in this revolution are ultra high speed connectivity, affordable smart devices, transformational digital applications and solutions, which Jio aims to facilitate, said Ambani at the virtual conference New Delhi. Reliance Industry Chairman Mukesh Ambani on Thursday said, as the world steps into the fourth industrial revolution, India has the opportunity to not just to catch up with the leaders, but to emerge as a global leader itself. While speaking at the TM Forum Digital Transformation World Series 2020 virtual conference, Ambani said India missed out on the first two industrial revolutions and the changes brought about by them. During the third industrial revolution, where information technology came to prominence, India joined the race but still remained behind, trying to catch up with the leader. The fourth industrial revolution is driven by the convergence of the digital and physical technologies such as digital connectivity, cloud and edge computing, IoT and smart devices, artificial intelligence, blockchain, AR, VR and genomics, said the richest Indian. So the Ambani is the richest Indian this time, and he is going to provide the all advanced facilities through their devices, so the people can reach on the fourth industrial revolution and build their position. The three foundational requirements needed to participate this revolution are ultra high speed connectivity, affordable smart device, and transformation digital application and solution. बहुत अच्छी स्पीड होगी 5G के उन्होंने वायदा किया है कि और कंट्री से भी अच्छा हम अब फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कराएंगे और ऐसी डिवाइस देंगे जो कि खरीदी जा सके, उसकी कॉस्ट वाइज भी अफोर्डेबल हो और उनका डिजिटल सॉल्यूशन मिले. With Jio aims to facilitate, he said, before Jio India was stuck with 2G technology and Jio wanted to end India's data misery and unleash a digital revolution. We built a world-class, all-IP future-proof digital network that delivers the highest speed and the best coverage across India. उन्होंने कहा कि 2G टेक्नोलॉजी छोड़िए, अब हम ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोवाइड कराएंगे जो सबसे अच्छी स्पीड की हो और आईपी एड्रेस जो हो वो फुल प्रूफ डिजिटल नेटवर्क का हाईएस्ट डिलीवरी स्पीड हाईएस्ट स्पीड का दिलाने को उन्होंने कहा और वो कह ही नहीं रहे, वो प्रोवाइड भी कराएंगे और जिसकी वजह से इंडिया और कंट्री के आगे लीड करेगी. While it took 25 years for Indian telecom industry to build its 2G network, Jio built its 4G network only in 3 years. And to ensure widespread adoption of data, we launched with the lowest data traffic in the world and made voice service completely free for Jio user. अब उन्होंने कहा कि हमने तो 4G जो है वो 3 साल के अंदर ही बना दिया, जबकि 2G बनने में इंडिया में 25 साल लग गए. सो और डेटा ट्रैफिक भी नहीं है उसमें बिल्कुल भी, और साथ में वॉइस सर्विस भी उन्होंने फ्री प्रोवाइड की. Real Telecom's arm, which has drawn more than $20 billion in the investment, और उन्होंने $20 बिलियन का इन्वेस्टमेंट को बोला है. बिफोर जियो ओवर half a billion Indian were left out of digital movement because they couldn't afford a smartphone and had to make to do with 2G. लेकिन बहुत से इंडियन ऐसे हैं जो उनको अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते कॉस्ट वाइज और 2G पे ही डिपेंड करते हैं. Our young and talented geo-engineer rose to the challenge of designing the world ultra-affordable breakthrough device called the geophone that provides a window to the world of limitless possibility for over 100 million Indians in less than a year. लेकिन उन्होंने ये वायदा किया है कि हमारे साइंटिस्ट ऐसा इंजीनियर्स लोग ऐसा फ़ोन बनाएंगे जो कि 100 मिलियन इंडियंस को प्रोवाइड हो सके कम दाम में, है ना. एडिंग कस्टमर एट द माइंड boggling rate of 7 customers every second. Jio garnered 100 million customers in just 170 days of its launch. उन्होंने 170 दिन के अंदर ही 100 मिलियन कस्टमर इकट्ठा किए. एंड द इंडियंस मंथली कंजम्पशन वेंट अप फ्रॉम 2.2 बिलियन GB to 1.2 बिलियन और उनका कंजम्पशन जो था 0.2 बिलियन से 1.2 बिलियन GB बढ़ गया. A growth of 600% and data consumption has been multiplying ever since, said Ambani. और डेटा कंजम्पशन बहुत अधिक 600% बढ़ गया. अब he said Indian today consumes over 6 exabyte of data every month, more than 30 times pre-Jio level, just 4 years ago, and that within 4 years Indian has just 4 years. और इस तरह से डेटा कंजम्पशन एक्साबाइट में बढ़ गया. अंबानी सेट जियो is now rolling out a high-speed, low-latency optic fiber network to more than 50 million homes and premises across 2,000 towns and cities in India, and in simultaneously preparing for rolling out 5G services across India. अब उन्होंने बहुत अधिक इसके कंजम्पशन को बढ़ा दिया और ये प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि वो धीरे धीरे 5G सर्विस भी हर जगह प्रोवाइड करा देंगे. And Jio platform, our digital solutions arms with its growing portfolio of over 20 startups, has built significant capability in area like, अब किस किस एरिया में उनके सारे डिवाइसेस प्रोवाइड हो जाएंगे वो है क्लाउड एज कंप्यूटिंग, बिग डेटा एनालिसिस, AI, machine learning, blockchain, AR, VR, IoT. Jio platform is in the process of creating compelling solution for multiple industry verticals and ecosystem spanning telecom, media and entertainment, new commerce, फाइनेंशियल सर्विस, एजुकेशन, हेल्थ केयर एंड एग्रीकल्चर. ये सारी फैसिलिटी अब इन डिफरेंट फील्ड्स में प्रोवाइड की जाएगी. इसमें से एग्रीकल्चर, हेल्थ केयर, एजुकेशन सारी कुछ है. वी बिलीव दैट दीज विल हैव अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव इफेक्ट ऑन द सोशल, इकोनॉमिक एंड फुल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. और हमारा विश्वास है कि हम लोग सोशल और इकोनॉमिकली ज़्यादा डेवलप हो जाएंगे. दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग फॉर इंडिया. ईच ऑफ दिस सॉल्यूशंस वंस perfected in India and proven at Indian scale will be well positioned to address similar need in other parts of the world, said Ambani. Or the fourth industrial revolution has presented us a unique opportunity to create unprecedented value and prosperity for everyone in all spheres of life. We must invest in building next generation technology assets, said Ambani. Good news for Jio users. The company has started this special facility for the customer. There will be no charge. उन्होंने जियो पोस्ट पेड प्लान को बनाया है जिसमें कि आप नेटफ्लिक्स, प्राइम वीडियो, हॉटस्टार, फैमिली प्लान, डेटा रोल ओवर, वाईफाई, अल्टीमेट इंटरनेशनल रोमिंग, इन फ्लाइट कनेक्टिविटी स्टार्ट एट रुपीज़ केवल 399 में इतनी अधिक फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करेगी। और उन्होंने ये फैसिलिटी इसलिए प्रोवाइड की है जिससे कि और कंपनीज को वो कंपटीशन कर सकें और उनको चैलेंज दे सकें। Reliance has recently launched new postpaid plan. The name of this postpaid plan is Jio Postpaid Plus. The company has introduced these plans with the intention of giving competition to other companies. OTT subscriptions such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus Hotstar are available for free in these new postpaid Plus plan. Apart from this, the company is also offering in-flight connectivity in this service. Reliance Jio has announced that users of the other telecom companies enjoying Jio Postpaid Plus can carry forward their credit limits. The company says that they will not have to pay any additional charge for this. और ये सब चीज़ें वो फ्री में प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं जियो पोस्टपेड प्लान प्लस के साथ. These special facilities are available to the customer. Reliance Jio is providing a new carry forward credit limit facility for all the users who want to migrate from any other existing service to Jio postpaid network. अब कोई भी फैसिलिटी से आप जियो पोस्टपेड नेटवर्क में अगर आते हैं तो ये सारी फैसिलिटी आपको मिलेगी. चाहे आपका पोस्टपेड प्लान पुराना हो उससे भी आ सकते हैं और प्रीपेड प्लान हो तो उससे भी आ सकते हैं. The company claimed that this will facilitate migration of all existing postpaid users from other operation to join Jio Postpaid Plus. The company is also making free home delivery of new SIM card. जैसे पिछली बार 4G होने पे सिम कार्ड आया था वैसे ही अब आपको सिम कार्ड भी घर में मिलेगा. This way Jio Postpaid Plus connection from the postpaid number you want to switch to Jio, send hi to WhatsApp number. After the upload, the postpaid will be existing operator. From home delivery of new Jio SIM from Jio postpaid connection, call Jio website or call the toll-free number. After this, Jio Postpaid Plus SIM card will be reach your home. You can also get a SIM card by going to Jio store or Reliance Digital Store. You can also get more information about Jio Postpaid Plus by visiting jio.com. Jio Postpaid Plus plan has Jio has introduced 5 postpaid plan price at $399, $599, $799, $999 and $1499. In all these packs, bumper data is being offered to user with ultimate call, access to OTT apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, Hotstar along with the new Jio postpaid plan is given. Apart from this, in-flight connectivity is also available. So this is very good plan of Jio postpaid plus plan, or you can if you can afford it then you can join it because it is worthwhile. You are getting so many things free in it: Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, Hotstar along with the new Jio postpaid plus plan, and the flight connectivity is also available in it. Thank you viewer, today is all, and if you like this new information please run and subscribe. Thank you.